Hello students, today I am teaching to you the subject of science class 7, chapter 5, acids, bases and salt. Today I begin with a new topic, that is neutralization. Neutralization means it is the process in which the product is formed neither acid nor a base. What is neutralization? Neutralization is a process which is performed in a reaction, in a chemical reaction. How this neutralization process is performed? Let us suppose that here we take an acid and a base. When an acid or a base reacts, they form a salt and water. The left side of this arrow are called reactants. Reactants is a plural word. If one compound is present here, then we call it reactant. So acid and base, for this reaction, they lie just left of the arrow. So these are called reactants for the reaction, and the right side compound are called products. So in neutralization reaction, an acid and a base form a product which is a salt and a byproduct which is called a water. And this salt is neither an acid nor a base. It is nor an acid nor a base, neither an acid nor a base. It is a neutral compound. Neutral. If a compound neither an acid nor a base, that type of compound is called a neutral compound. So in this type of reaction, a neutral product or neutral compound is formed. That's why this type of reaction are called neutralization reaction. And all of you know that acids and bases are chemically opposite substances. So when they mixed with each other, they cancel out the effect of each other, and the product is formed is a salt and water, and this product is a neutral compound. So what is neutralization? How can you define neutralization? Neutralization is the reaction in which an acid reacts with a base to form salt and water is called neutralization. Is called neutralization. And some heat is always evolved means produced in a neutralization reaction. Some heat is always produced in a neutralization reaction. For example, when a sodium hydroxide is react with a acid HCl, it form a salt which is called sodium chloride and water. This sodium chloride is a neutral compound. This is sodium chloride, which is also commonly called common salt. And this is hydrochloric acid, and sodium hydroxide is a base, and this is acid. When acid and base combine to each other, they form a neutral compound and water. And during this process, it is evolved. Some of the neutralization process also happens in our everyday life. Let us discuss how the neutralization reactions involve in our everyday life. The neutralization reactions are involved as neutralization in everyday life. The neutralization reactions occurs in our everyday life as in indigestion, ants sting, soil treatment, and factory waste. factory waste.